I'm Stephanie Essen, and this is IDZ Weekly. In this episode, we give you some quick and helpful tips on extracting image files from Microsoft Word. Rather than clicking on each one manually and selecting Save as Picture, these techniques can help you save some time. The first way is by unzipping using GNU Linux. The article offers you a 26-image example you can download to try for yourself. To extract images from a Word file, run this command in a GNU Linux terminal. The file will unzip and extract the XML and images. The second way is by unzipping in Windows. WinZip is the tool that will allow you to extract the images if you're using proprietary software. Click File, Open, and select the image. You will then see the location of the image. Simple tips like these can really help you streamline your process. Check out the links provided to get a closer look at these tips, and I'll see you next Monday.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and haven't seen any of our other videos, subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. You can also connect with other developers and enthusiasts in the comments. See you all next time.